Alright, y'all, so what we're having for dinner tonight is some neck bones. So we have boneless, and we have the neck bones with the bones, obviously, you guys. I'm gonna put these two together with some egg noodles, y'all, and it's gonna be bon appetit, okay? So yeah, easy peasy dinner, and I'm gonna cook this once this meat is thawed out. So yeah, should be cooking about 4:30, and it's 12, so give it some time to thaw out. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I have everything in the pot, and all I'm going to be putting in these neck bones is just this anise base and some black pepper, but this right here goes a long way, so I won't need salt or any type of other seasoning because we don't want no salty, you know, noodles and neck bones. But this right here is all you would need. So this is what I'm going to be using, you guys. If you don't know what this is, y'all, get you some, because baby, it's so good and everything, for real. So I just did 3 spoonfuls, and then once this pot heats up, I'll come and stir it to make sure it gets all over, you know, the neck bones and all of that good stuff, y'all. But I am gonna put some, like I said, black pepper in the pot as well. If your girl can find it. Hold on, y'all, I'll be back. Got the pepper. Alright, y'all, that's it, and that's all. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, so if you like my nails, I did get them off Temu. So make sure you guys shop Temu, and make sure you guys use my code if you are a first time user and this is your first time actually downloading the Temu app. Use my code, and then you guys can get like a $100 coupon bundle or whatever. But anyway, y'all, I got this glue from Temu too. It's just called like nail glue, and it comes with all these packs, which is really, really good that it comes with so many packs. But y'all, I don't like the quality of the glue. Honestly, my nails is like, probably came off probably twice since I did my nails yesterday, which is ridiculous, because normally when I'm using like Dollar Tree glue, my nails actually stay on for a couple of days and then it might pop off. But yes, your girl did her nails, because I've been telling y'all that I wanted to do my nails, and I finally did it. Period. Legend is asleep, so while he's sleeping, like I said, I need to go ahead and do my exercises real quick, try to get in about a good 15 minutes, and then I need to go ahead and breast pump. I need to pump, so I'll be back in a minute, and I'll show you guys a little bit of my two step of what I do for my exercises, you guys. And don't be laughing at me. Yeah, so we still beginner friendly, but I'm getting the work out in, y'all. So, this is me again. At this point, y'all, we've been doing exercises for 2 weeks. This is my 2nd week, so I'm starting to see a little bit of changes in the body. So I think I'm pretty excited. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to give you guys a little preview of what workouts I like to do. This is not all of them, but your girl is tired, so I'll be back. Hi, Dad. Come here. Hi, say Merry Christmas. Caro. Caro. Say Merry. Alright, y'all, so I'm putting the noodles in. The egg noodles. Stir this in, you guys. Let that cook for about 30 more minutes and then we're done. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that cook for about 30 more minutes and then I can go ahead and take this off and then we can eat because the meat is definitely tender. And the season is seasoning, baby. And I did not pump just yet. I'm in the bathtub, y'all. My body is so sore from working out, so I just decided to come sit in this hot tub. Y'all, this water is so hot, but I love my baths hot. Comment below if you like your baths hot as well. But once I come out of here, then I will go ahead and pump, and that'll be my second time today pumping. I wanted to do 3 times, but I was trying to eat before 6 to 7, so now it's 6:45 now. So your girl is doing the daggone thing, y'all. So I'm just gonna stay in the tub for about a good, I'm gonna try to stay in for about a good 30 minutes, you guys, to give my body enough time to actually relax, you know. So then I'll come back and talk to you guys probably and end the vlog once I start pumping. So I'll talk to you guys then.
Every move you make, every breath you take, every move you make.
Y'all, so husband is singing, but I wanted to come and tell you guys that I'm about to end the video, but I wanted to come and tell you guys that me and husband was watching this movie on Netflix. Babe, what's that movie called on Netflix we watched? What was the movie on Netflix we watched?
Oh, I got to see. I'll bring it up.
Hey, I'm gonna get Babe to look the movie up, and he gonna tell you guys what we was watching, because y'all, 2 hours in, we was into this movie, and when I tell you it let us down at the end, the ending, this movie, child, but it was on Netflix. Got my teeth hurt. I gotta go to the dentist. Sorry to get this teeth pulled because I'm just over it. I'm over it. But I'm gonna let y'all say hey to Babe. I'm gonna show you guys the movie that we watched. And then I'm done for the night. Hey, Daddy. Say, baby.
Hey, how you doing?
Well, I found you in the wreckage of that ship.
I'm not familiar with you.
Trying to find a movie now, y'all, that was watched a little while ago.
You would think it'd be the top one.
Like, we literally just watched this movie. And we cannot find it. It should be on what we watched. Keep going.
It's getting closer.
Oh, that was it. Right there, go back up. That's what we watched right there. Leave the World Behind. Y'all, this movie is crazy. Check it out. And when you check it out, come back and let me know what you think about it. It's on Netflix, y'all. Check this movie out and come back and let me know what you guys think. Seriously. Baby, what's your thoughts? What can you tell them?
Put on your thinking cap.
Y'all, this fool said put on your thinking cap. He ain't lying though, but I'm so done. Y'all, this movie is crazy. But anyway, I love y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But I just wanted to show you guys that we was watching this movie. And I just wanted to tell you guys about it. But like Bae said, put your thinking cap on for sure. Bye guys, good night.